everyone, what's up? It's Eunice and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about my favorite drugstore brushes. So your makeup is only as good as the tools that you use when applying them. So a lot of times I do invest in high-end brushes, but I've found a lot of drugstore gems na very affordable, but it does the job and it does it well. So I will be talking about each and every one. They won't be in any particular order, but I will also show you how I use them in my everyday makeup routine. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. So let's start with eye makeup. I have a couple of eye brushes right here na I've been using for a while now and sobrang love ko siya. So the first one is this Essence blending brush. As you can see, lahat naman ito nagamit ko na. So medyo madumi siya, hindi ko siya nalinisan kasi nga I use it for every day. So like I said, it's the Essence Eye Blender brush and this retails for $1.99 dito. So like 100 pesos. And I'll link everything in the description box if I find them in like Shopee, Lazada, or saan pa ba available? Watsons, ganyan. I'll do my best to link them. Pero ayun, Essence Eye Blender brush. Bakit ko to love? Because it's not prickly. It's very soft for a $2 brush. It doesn't have any shedding. And may apat na ako na blending brush na ganito kasi ginagamit ko nga siya for everyday. Because sobrang mura niya, na-afford ko bumili ng apat para for iba-ibang colors, diba? Meron akong isa for mga browns, isa for my mga warm tone para hindi nagmi-mix yung eyeshadow ko. Sobrang okay siya kasi sobrang sabog yung blending brush niya. So magaling siya mag-blend talaga in a way na this is what I use as my transition shade. So, pag biniblend ko siya outward, nade-diffuse niya talaga yung product niya. Hindi siya nagmumukhang too pigmented. Mas mukhang well-blended yung eyeshadow, especially when it comes to transition shade na gusto mong very seamless and very light lang yung transition. So, that's what I like using this for. And for $2, sobrang worth it siya. It performs so well. It holds up very well. Like I said, wala siyang shedding or anything like that. It's not prickly, so hindi siya masakit sa mata. The next eye brush is from e.l.f. and this is an e.l.f. concealer brush. So I know it's a concealer brush, but I don't use this for concealing. What I like to use it for is whenever I want a cut crease look. So I'd still use it for concealer pero sa eyelids ko. I love it because sobrang nipis niya, as you can see. So perfect talaga siya pang cut crease because mas precise yung application mo ng concealer dun sa crease area and hindi ka lalampas. Tapos ang ganda rin ng shape niya kasi yung eyelid mo makukuha niya talaga yun. Tapos maganda siya pang blend, in fairness naman to this. This is only $1. So, 50 pesos, diba? So, perfect na siya. Meron din akong mga 3 yata nito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero, hindi na ako masyadong nagka-cut crease ngayon. Pero, kung mahilig kayo mag-cut crease makeup, I highly recommend this concealer brush because it will change the game. And for $1, why not? Again, it's also high quality because wala pa ako napapansing shedding dito. I've had this for more than a year now. I always use it dati nung lagi ako nagka-cut crease na eyeshadow look. Tapos, hindi rin prickly yung brush niya. It's very soft for only $1. Next brush is from Morphe. Ito na lang yung Morphe brush na natira ko because for the longest time, hindi ko alam bakit nire-rave ng lahat ng tao yung Morphe. I feel like ito, yung nabili ko lang kasi is their parang value collection sa Ulta. Yung brushes niya nag-range from $4 to $6. So, bumili ako ng blending brush at saka ng tapered blending brush dun. Sobrang prickly niya. As in, parang ewan ko yung brush hair niya. As in, pag tumidikit siya sa mata ko, medyo angkate because, di medyo, as in makate talaga kasi nararamdaman mo talaga yung tusok niya. Pero ito, natirang, nag-iisang Morphe brush sa collection ko. And this is the Morphe M432 flat liner brush siya. And I love this pag-apply nung sa under eye area ko, dyan, para ma-finish yung eyeshadow look ko. Or sometimes, I also use it as an eyeshadow eyeliner. Pag gusto kong mas precise yung wing, ito muna yung ina-apply ko using like a brown eyeshadow. Tapos I traced over that using an eyeliner. So I like it for that. And to be fair, ito, yung brush hair nito, sobrang soft. Hindi ko alam kung bakit yung blending brush sobrang prickly. So the next 2 brushes are from Wet n Wild. So the first one is another blending brush. Ang dami kong blending brush kasi kailangan mo yan for everyday. Kailangan maganda talaga yung blending brush mo para yung pagka-diffuse ng eyeshadow maganda and seamless. So whenever I choose a blending brush, gusto ko yung medyo sabog siya. Pero hindi naman yung sobrang laki kasi hello, ang liit ng lid space ko. Magaling magaling siya mag-blend ng eyeshadow and I think 4 years na to sa akin. Ito yung isa sa mga unang eyeshadow brushes ko and ang tagal niya na sa collection ko. As you can see, okay pa naman siya. Wala siyang shedding or anything like that. For $1, a lot of times binibili ko lang to sa $3 and it performs really, really well. It's up to par when it comes to like the performance. Yun nga lang, yung pinaka-handle niya is a little bit, ayan, medyo natutuklap-tuklap na yung white pink. So, yun lang. Pero when it comes to the brush itself, sobrang okay siya. Tumatagal, walang shedding. It's very soft and nade-diffuse niya yung product in a very nice way. Next brush is, again, like I said, also from Wet n Wild, and this is a flat eyeshadow brush. And this is another concealer brush na hindi ko ginagamit for concealing. So, ito yung small concealer brush nila and I like using this for applying shimmer eyeshadows because sobrang napapack on niya lang yung shimmer tapos pag ina-apply ko siya sa lids ko, wala masyadong fallout na nangyayari dun sa eyeshadow. Tapos lahat ng shadow nata-transfer sa lid ko talaga, walang natitira dun sa brush. So maganda siya for that. Ayun lang. Again, ito is I think mga 4 years na din sa collection ko. As you can see, sobrang wear and tear na siya. Kailangan ko na yata bumili ng bago. But, kailangan ko lang siya bumili ng bago because of the ferrule. Ano tawag dito? Ferrule? I think ferrule. And yung pinaka-handle niya. When it comes to drugstore brushes, lahat sila medyo magaan. I like in the sense na hindi ako nangangalay kapag nag-a-apply ako ng makeup, pero hindi mo mafe-feel yung luxury product siya kasi nga medyo magaan. Performs really well naman talaga. Wala akong high-end na eyeshadow brush na ginagamit ko pang apply ng shimmer. Ito lang at ito talaga. So, I think kailangan ko na bumili ng isa pa. So, let's go to mga face brushes na. So, the first brush is a powder brush. This is from Real Techniques and this is their powder brush. Ayun, I love this because it's very soft, tapos ang fluffy niya lang and medyo tapered siya. As you can see, hindi siya flat top brush. Maganda siya pang apply ng powders all over your face. Ayan, tapos minsan kapag hindi ko naman kailangan ng super precise na look or naka-sheer coverage lang ako, nagagamit ko din to for my under eye area. Yun nga lang, pag full glam, hindi ko to ginagamit kasi mas kailangan ko na mas precise na under eye area powder brush. But overall, it holds up really well. I think I've had this for over 2 years and I still have it. Well, minimal shedding siya. There's a little bit, pero it doesn't really bother me that much because the price of this brush is, I think, below $10. So, below 500 pesos lang siya. I'm not sure in the Philippines. Like I said, I'll link everything that I find in the description box. Pero overall, ang soft niya lang. And when it comes to powder brush, gusto mo talaga ng soft kasi ina-apply mo yan sa buong mukha mo. Ayaw mo naman nung medyo matigas yung brush hair niya, diba? Tapos, yung application niya ng powder sa face mo, it's very seamless na very light lang yung powder na na-apply niya. It diffuses the product very well. Like I said, nahihiling ako sa mga natural look. So, when it comes to powders, ayoko yung nagmumukha akong espasol, ganyan. Very useful to and I don't think I kept any high-end powder brush na ganito kalaki na fluffy powder brush. Ito lang talaga. Ang ayoko lang kay Real Techniques is medyo bulky or chunky yung handle niya. So, in that sense, hindi ko siya favorite and yung colors niya, like I said din sa other videos ko, yung mga gusto ko nang packaging design or like yung makeup design, medyo mas sophisticated yung itsura nila. So, medyo neon, metallic yung colors ng handle ni Real Techniques. But overall, mas nangingibabaw yung fact na ang ganda ng brush head niya. Next product is also from Real Techniques and this is their blush brush. Meron sila ng regular na blush brush na regular din yung handle niya. Ito kasing nabili ko, pwede siyang 3 ways. So, itong naka-release lahat ng brush hair niya is kung gusto mo, sobrang light ng blush mo. Tapos, bababa mo siyang ganyan. Kung gusto mo, medium yung application o mas darker. Tapos, kung gusto mong blush, as in blush na blush siya, ito. Yan. Tapos, kapag magta-travel ka, itago mo na lang, 'di ba? Hindi ka mag-worry kung masisira yung brush hair. So, that's why I got this one. Mas expensive ito ng onte, pero I think it's worth it kasi nga, diba, perfect siya for traveling. Bongga. And why do I love this brush? Because like the powder brush, it's very soft and it diffuses product really well kasi soft siya, hindi siya too dense, and yung application niya ng makeup, ng powder sa face mo, very natural lang siya. You won't look cakey kasi nadi-diffuse niya nga yung product in a very nice way. So, since we're talking about Real Techniques, I'll throw this in really quickly. When it comes to travel brushes, I also love Real Techniques because meron sila ng mga gantong travel brush. The fact na kalahati lang yung handle nila, so it's very compact, pero yung pinaka-brush head niya is full size. So, you get the same quality as you will in a full-size brush, pero mas compact because iniksian na lang nila yung handle as opposed to liitan yung brush head, which I really love. I think they only come out with the brushes during holiday season kasi mini ornaments siya, like stocking stuffers, ganun yung pagka-market sa kanya. So, every time na nakikita ko to in the stores, binibili ko na siya para pag nag-travel ako, kung kailan man yun, is ready ako. Meron akong mga little brushes. The next brush is from e.l.f. This is actually a new discovery and this is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. So, na-discover ko to kay Jessica Braun because favorite niya to ipang blend ng cream contour. And so, tinry ko siya for cream contour and I love it. Dahil dito, nagustuhan ko nang nag-a-apply ng cream contour, cream bronzers, ganyan. Kasi ang ganda ng pag-blend niya. Nabiblend niya yung cream product nang hindi nauubos yung cream product. A lot of times, whenever I blend like cream contour or cream bronzer using a sponge, parang nag-e-end up, wala ng product sa cheeks ko. Sobrang sheer niya na parang wala na akong in-apply. But when it comes to this, it just blends it out really nicely na andun ba rin yung product and you really see a difference na naglagay ka ng contour. But also, it doesn't move your foundation. Like, dense enough siya to blend out your product, but it's soft enough na hindi niya na-move yung product underneath kung ano man yung biniblend nyo. So, that's why I love this. I think this was only $6 din, and sobrang soft niya. There's minimal shedding, which I think is very common when it comes to e.l.f. brushes, pero it works so well. I haven't tried this with foundation, so I might buy another one and try it with like liquid foundation or cream foundation kasi parang similar siya sa It Cosmetics foundation brush ko. So, gusto ko i-compare yung dalawa. But overall, this actually made me buy more cream bronzers and cream contour products. Last but not the least are highlighting brushes. So, these are both from Wet n Wild and I wanted to talk about both because they're the exact same brushes. Yung isa lang is from a different collection. So, why do I love this highlighting brushes? For the longest time, I've been using like fan brushes for highlighter and na-realize ko, hindi siya ganun ka-blended out na hindi siya nagmumukhang parang makikita mo talaga na may streak of highlighter dyan. But when it comes to this, yung shape niya medyo tapered. So, maganda siya pang blend talaga. And it's very soft. Like with any Wet n Wild brushes, ang lambot-lambot niya talaga kahit sobrang mura niya. This one, I think I got it from a set 2 years ago na $15 lang yung buong set with 15 brushes. So, lumalabas $1 lang. Tas sobrang lambot niya, guys. Na-try ko na yung Morphe version nito and sobrang prickly lang doon. Kaya ito yung kinip ko. Tas nilet go ko na yon. And like I said, ang perfect niya lang pang blend ng highlighter dyan, sa nose. Tapos kapag sa inner corners ng eyes ko, sakto din siya. As in, perfect. Ito yung perfect highlighting brush. So, nung naglabas si Wet n Wild, collaborate sila with Bretman Rock. Binili ko din yung brush niya. And grabe, ang galing kasi even with the collaboration, they were able to keep the prices so affordable. I think this was only $6. The quality is still the same. A lot of times when I see other collaborations with other influencers, minsan na sisira yung quality ng product because syempre, they have to offset yung cost ng collaboration with an influencer, diba? But with Wet n Wild, collaboration man o hindi, very consistent yung quality ng brushes nila. So those are my favorite drugstore and affordable brushes. So a lot of this you can find in the drugstore. Yung Morphe lang yata yung hindi. I've been using all of these products for years and years now. Tried and tested ko talaga sila. And a lot of times, ang dami ko nang nilet go na Sigma brushes, Luxie, ano pa ba? A lot of high-end brushes. And ito talaga yung kinip ko because sobrang useful siya. Now, it doesn't discount the fact na meron pa rin akong mga high-end brushes in my collection na I think are so worth it na if you're planning to splurge on a brush, yun yung mga kailangan or yun yung mga gusto kong itry nyo. I'll talk about that in a different video, but for now, these are all of my favorite affordable brushes that I think you should try if you're looking to expand your makeup collection or you're just getting into makeup but don't want to spend the money for it muna. These are very affordable yet very high quality and it will do the job for you. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new, and if you have a favorite affordable brush, comment it down below. I just ordered the Anklutz brushes 2.0 and Ultimate Beginner brush set 2.0 and yung travel brush set nila, which are coming in the next few months. So I'll be talking about that. I'm so excited to test out a brush set na local brand talaga. So, can't wait to try that out for you guys. But for now, ito muna yung favorites ko. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video again. And thank you so much for watching again. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, it's Eunice. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!